Good day, my name is Lesel M. Alforki, BSISM 4A. I want to share for self-down driving, safety, 10 commandments of safety driving as driver. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limit. Number 4, I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twice without signaling my intention. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. Second, self-traveling 10 commandments of road safety from Traveler 24 source. Number 1, thou shalt not gaze at tapon. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take it any chance. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bride. 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. The third is self-clearance, 10 commandments of traffic. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if end up, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent an untangled traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. And the number 10 is remember the international driving safety reminders.